How to create GitHub issue automatically on n8n. So in order to do this, head over to your n8n and click on this plus icon. Just right here for GitHub. And once it's been searched, click on this. You can just click onto the issue right here and search for issue option. You can choose get issue or create option, however you want. I'll choose to create operation. So this will create an issue. So you can just choose right here the GitHub account that you're connected with. We're having here the resource. Just provide the title for this new issue as well as repository owner, body, and the likes. Once you're done with this, you can just associate it with a project or milestone and activate it and test your workflow if it's working. So from there, you can just head over and edit it however you want and add a new note that will actually notify this particular issue if it's been resolved or if not yet. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.